welcome to our YouTube channel Mathematical Pathshala. This is the first question of ISI MMath 2018 objective paper. So first of all, we will read the question. We have to find the number of isosceles but not equilateral triangles with integer sides and no side exceeding 10. So in this question we have to find total number of isosceles triangles. Isosceles triangles means any two sides are equal, but not equilateral triangles. Equilateral triangles means all of the sides are equal. So we have to exclude all the cases where we are forming equilateral triangles with integer sides, and it is also given that only integer entries are allowed for the length of the side of triangle, and no side exceeding 10 means length of the side cannot be greater than 10. So see how to approach such type of questions. So in this question only simple concept they want to ask from students is the sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than third side of triangle. So this is the concept. See, if this is your triangle L1, L2, L3, then L1 plus L2 is always greater than L3, L1 plus L3 is greater than L2, and L1 plus L2 is greater than L3. It cannot be case like that L1 plus L2 is equal to L3. The sum of any two sides of triangle can never be equal to third side. Okay, this is the concept. So come to our question. It is given that sides have only integer entries and not exceeding 10. So you have to make 10 cases. Case number 1, where suppose that L1 is 1. So we have to find isosceles triangles. So I am supposing L2 is also 1. Then check out the possibilities for L3. So if you will add 1 and 1, then it will come out 2. So we know that sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than third side. So L3 only can be 1, because if it will be 2, then L1 plus L2 will equal to L3, and it is not possible in the case of triangle. So you have only one possibility. If I am taking L1 is equal to 2 and L2 is equal to 2, then you can see that the possibility for L3 is 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have only 3 possibilities, 1, 2 and 3. And keep in mind that you have to exclude all the equilateral triangles. So it is not the case the examiner want to ask from us. And here we have to exclude the case where L3 is 2, because 2, 2, 2 means equilateral triangle. Suppose L1 is equal to 3 and L2 is equal to 3. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. So the 5 cases are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have to exclude this case. And suppose L1 is 4 and L2 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So here 7 cases are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to exclude 4. So this is the easy question. Now you can further proceed. So in case of 5, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And you have to exclude 5. So in case of 6 and 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So all the numbers from 1 to 10 excluding 6. Okay, excluding 6. Likewise, if it will be 7, then 7 plus 7, 14. So 1 to 10 excluding 7. It is very easy now. 8, 8, 9, 9 and 10, 10. Because it is saying no side exceeding 10. So we are not taking 11. So for in the case of 8 also, 1 to 10 excluding 8. So in the case of 9, 1 to 10 excluding 9. And in the case of 10, 10 plus 10 is 20. So all the 10 cases are favorable. So 1 to 10, but we have to exclude equilateral triangle, so 1 to 10 excluding 10. So now here you can easily count the number of cases. Here 9 cases, because 1 to 10 10, and we are excluding 10, so 10 minus 1 is 9. Here also 9 cases, here also 9 cases, and here also 9 cases, and here also 9 cases. You can see here 8 cases. You can see here it is 6 number of cases. You can see 4 number of cases, and you can see here 2 cases. So 4 plus 2 6, 6 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 20, and 20 plus 1 2 3 4 5, 20 plus 45 means 65. So your correct option is A option. So 65 is the correct answer. Thank you friends.